Hello children, today let us learn the comprehension of a poem which you get in your paper 2. This is an unseen poem. On to the points to remember to make an effective comprehension. Kindly go through these points before you attempt the comprehension. On to the poem here. Children, first we need to interpret the poem in the right way, then only we can attempt the comprehension rightly. On to the poem here. Rise, brother, rise, the wakening skies pray to the morning light. So here the wakening skies are asking the morning light to get up. Rise means get up. So the skies, early morning skies are telling to the early morning light to get up from the sleep. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. What this wind is doing is it is sleeping in the arms of the dawn. Generally, dawn means early morning. Generally, children sleep in the arms of the mother. So the same way, the wind is sleeping in the arms of the morning, it seems. That means the wind is very lazy and it's in a very sleepy mood. Like a child that has cried all night. So how much asleep the wind is like how a child which cries all throughout the night and has a sound sleep in the morning. The same way the wind is sleeping, it seems. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamaran free. Catamaran means small boat which the fishermen use for fishing. So the fisherman is telling, come dear friends, come dear fishermen, let us all take our nets from the shore and we will take our boat and we'll go for fishing. To capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the sons of the sea. So let's go into the sea and let's have a treasure. Let's take all the treasure that is in the sea. What exactly is the treasure? Yes, it is the seafood, the fish, the prawn, the crab, whatever seafood that we get. Come, let's go and take the wealth from the sea, because we are the sons of the sea, means we are the rightful people to gather all the things. It is our property. Come, let's go and take all the wealth and come. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. So he's telling, come on, hurry up, let's go. Let's not waste any time. We will follow the seagull. Seagull is a bird. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother. His waves are our comrades all. So what he's saying is the sea is the mother. It's our mother, and the cloud is our brother which stays with us all throughout our journey. And the waves are our comrades. They are our fellow soldiers who march with us throughout our journey in the sea. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives? He who holds a storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. So what he is telling is, though we are into the depth of the sea, into the deep sea, in the night times, though the sun has fallen, that is, the sun has set and it's night time, though we are going into the deep of the sea, we should not be afraid, because we have the sea god. Sea god is the one who is going to guide us, and he will hold the storm like a person who holds the hair of an evil thing. The storm is going to dominate us. The sea god will hold the storm and control it and will give us a safe journey. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. So now he is telling that let's go into the sea. The sea journey, sea god is with us. And then he says, on the shore there is a coconut tree. Under the coconut tree, if we sit in the shade, it is so nice. And more than that, the scent of the mango grove. When the mango tree is full of flowers, that smell is still more good. They are all on the shore. And sweet are the sands at the full of the moon, with the sound of the voice we love. Again he says, on the seashore, if we sit on the full moon day and we hear the voice of the waves on the beach, so it is very nice, but that's on the shore. So he says that the coconut tree shade is good, the mango scent is good, and the shore, when we sit on the shore, the waves, the full moon day, that's good. But sweeter, oh brothers, the kiss of the spray, that may all be sweet, but more than that, sweeter is the kiss of the spray. That is, when they go in the boat into the sea, the water spills on them and it comes and strikes their face. So that is what is telling, the kiss of the spray. The water is coming and kissing them. And the dance of the wild foam's glee. So on the sea you see the foam floating on that, and he says that the kiss of the sea water and the dance of the foam, that is dancing on the waves, is far better than the shore. Row, brother, row to the blue of words. Row means you move your boat. They have an oar. With that they move the boat. Come on, let's go into the depth of the sea. He says, row, brother, row to the blue of words, where the low sky mate with the sea. Come on, let's go into the depth of the sea. Till where the sky has the handshake with the sea, that is the horizon. Come, let's go there where the sky touches the sea. Now on to the comprehension. The awakening skies pray to the morning light. The figure of speech used in the above line is, yes, it's a personification, because pray is a concept of human being, so it is personification. Which word in the poem means enjoyment? Yes, it is glee. What does a fisherman ask his brother to do? What are they doing? The fisherman asks his brother to wake up and gather their nets from the shore. What are they doing? Yes, they are sleeping. Who is guiding the fisherman to the sea? Is there any need to be afraid? Who is guiding? Yes, right, that is the sea god. A sea god is guiding the fisherman to the sea. No, there is no need to be afraid, because the sea god will take care of him. The fishermen live a life full of danger and depend on the mighty sea for their livelihood. Do you think of the sea as a force to be fought against, an enemy to be distracted, or a helpful being to be loved? So what we feel, that we can write. So I feel it is a helpful being to be loved, because it provides livelihood to many people. Hope you all understood how to make this comprehension. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a happy day.